Do you know about AdBlue, a product made up of 63% demineralized water plus urea, just like if you were peeing on your lawn. Here is the famous product that many gardeners mention as an herbicide supposedly used as a natural product. It is not a natural product at all. There are chemicals in it. Well, there is still 62 to 63% demineralized water, and there is urea. Urea is like if you were peeing on the lawn, or like the nitrogen used in some fertilizers, liquid fertilizers. When farmers use this fertilizer, they apply it in homeopathic doses, and if they put more of it in the same spot, it burns the grass. So AdBlue burns the grass, it acts as a weed killer. However, the AdBlue denitrogen that ends up on the soil later will enrich it. For example, if you put this on gravel, of course it burns at first, and then it's often even more undesirable weeds that end up taking over. So what's the best way to weed the pathway? I've got the solution right here in my hands. You take this grass and pull it out with some elbow grease. You can also use a hoe or weeding tool, they're very effective. You can also put a black tarp over a path where there's a lot of grass, and little by little you'll manage to get rid of it. A natural product that everyone knows is vinegar mixed with baking soda. As for AdBlue, leave that for diesel engines, and especially as a gardener, you should leave that to the mechanic.